Alright, let me give y'all a lesson on chainsaw operation.
Okay.
Chainsaw start.
I'm watching.
Ready? 1, 2, 3,
This starts, I'm
4,
running.
5, 6. That goes all the way down. Somebody's here loading up wood. Yes. When you hear that, flip it up once.
Yeah, it's not that the price. It's that. I'm not using that.
Oh, it's like almost no blow.
Yeah, me, I just have to look right out
Oh
of it.
yeah. There's your sports line. A lot of work for one.
I told you. Wow. We're tightening the blade.
Better cool her down too.
Yeah, let her cool down. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
That's why I don't want no parts of it.
Yeah.
I'm not burning up somebody's chainsaw.
Yeah.
That's for sure. I'll have to owe you what I got. I forgot all about being demoted to a camera guy. I forgot I was demoted to a camera guy.
Yeah.
You ready to flip it?
Flip it? Okay.
Yeah. Alright. Put this one on the fork. Oh! God damn, that thing ain't no light. You need 5 foot something.
Oh. I might have to cut that in the middle.
Hmm?
I'm gonna have to cut that in the middle.
50, what was it? You got the list?
52 and a half, was it?
Is that gonna be enough room?
Yeah. Up there?
My foot.
What the heck? What? I can't show that shit, man. What are you doing? I can't show that shit. That shit's gonna get edited out. Now this has got to be cut too, right?
Yeah, number 44. Good.
That'll do it, won't it?
Teamwork.
That works good. Doing those little.
Okay, come join the fun. go that way a little bit.
Let's go back. Let's go back.
Hold that one up. What do you think about that? You like it?
I just don't like this big.
Yeah.
So I don't
Yeah. You like it?
Camera's on. Cheese!
I can't get away from that thing. Could use a little grinding, but it's too far. Yep, you pulled that too far. But easy fix. Oh. There it is. Ready? There it is.
Okay, this little pin you gotta pull back and get back into place there. This is the burn pile. It's still going. I'll probably go for another, who knows how long. I still have these to burn over here. But yeah, that's going. Alright, we finally got all these cut off. So it looks good. They were all hachi-bachi. So they're all cut off now. And we'll get that pile of wood sorted and throw away what needs to be thrown away and save what needs to be saved. But that all looks good.